To make the paper Gerbera Daisy, we are going to cut out 24 of the large petals, 24 of the small petals, and one of each of the center petals. You also want the back. So we're going to start with the petals, and we are going to glue on one side of the flap, and we're going to fold it over. We're going to do that for all the petals, and then after we do that, we're going to take our shaping tool and we're going to give it a slight curve. Do that with all the petals and we will take it from there. Now that you have all your petals shaped, we're going to shape the center pieces. So we're going to stack them up from biggest to smallest. I do not have them in order right now, but I will put them in order. But what you do is you take your shaping tool and you just curl the petals. And then you're going to fold it up with the curl and just make sure it stays up. Do that with all of them. Now that you have your center part all done and stacked from biggest to smallest, let's take the back piece and we'll take the big petals and we are going to glue them around the outside. So I'm going to center it in the middle of one of the sides, and then I'm just going to go around. Now that you have the 12 outer petals on, we're going to put on the 12 inner petals. They go in between the first two petals, or the first layer of petals. Okay, now we're going to do the little petals. To do the little petals, you're going to glue them, sorry for bumping the camera. There is you can see the cardboard between the petals. You're going to glue it on top of that cardboard, so it's between two of the petals. Then the next one, you're going to skip the cardboard section, go to the second one. And you're going to go around skipping one cardboard section. Okay, now that you've gone around, you're going to go back into the places that you skipped and put the rest of the petals on top. Now that you have the larger petals on, we're going to put the center petals in. So we're going to put the largest one in first. Center it as best you can. And then keep putting the petals in. And then we're going to take our centerpiece and glue it into the middle. Then we're going to take the centerpieces and fold them over because they got flattened out a little bit. And there is your daisy.